Okay, let me go to another question now. What is your favorite weather and why?
Personally, I love rainy season because I very much love to be a wet in rain.
So you can use the word I love to get drenched or I love to get wet in the rain, right?
So yes, I have loved to wet in rain
Get wet, get
and
wet.
get wet in rain. That's why I like a rainy season.
Okay, you need to use more vocab, man. But maybe you don't know the vocabulary here. Uh, could you tell me what do you do, especially in summer season? What changes do you do, or what do you do in personally in summer seasons? You can say, well, I don't know that. I haven't thought of before you asked me this question. So let me think about it. What do I do? Yeah, I purchase an umbrella because it's very hot. So this is the first thing I do, not to get away from the rain, but to get away from the sun. The second thing I do is that I try to wear silky, transparent clothes, something like that. Okay, let me make it. When you want to answer it, first relax, take it easy, consider me your friend. So then you can well sir, I personally like horror movies. Well, the things, I just freak out. Yesterday I was watching one movie that I saw a ghost, a monster, some zombie kind of creature came, and he was about to catch a girl, and I was really shocked at that time. I was flabbergasted by watching that scene, and I think that movie was really kept me on the edge of my seat. So I didn't know what to do. I think, but to watch that movie, I was alone that time, so I watched it. I watched completely. Apart from watching horror movie, I do watch chick flicks as well.